Hard work is the surface of success. It should be a series of good practices. Uh, a good leader has an eye of understanding. He hasn't an eye of limitation. Like if uh, if one's work is errorful, it can be some valid reasons behind it. His or her child was ill, or his or her gadget was broken. So it's the area of improvement through problem solving, and it's not the area of limitation. Also, one should be enthusiastic and positive about and passionate about their work. The people around one should be positive. They should give smile when look at you, and they are also ready to learn and fun around. Do it today. If I have taken a decision today, I should do it today. One should not blame others always. Like it wasn't me, the voice was too loud, or it wasn't me, it was the laptop. Yes, everyone understands this kind of situations can be created, but one should learn to manage. One should learn to manage. Author did uh, content marketing, then web designing work. One should not avoid work. Like one should not keep watching news again and again, or keep checking the Instagram without liking the pictures sometimes even. One should eliminate the unproductive work and do the productive work. Unproductive work means it won't give you any return, and productive work will give you return. Learning is the continuous process. Keep seeing videos, and you may even do some courses or read some books. It will help you. If you are at the growing stage, it will help you so much. One should follow the rules. Like when you were in school, you went to school every day for 6 to 7 hours, and for 6 to 7 hours you study. So try to do the same when you are in college. One should not worry about what if. Either think life is too long, and it can be very productive if we want to be. If we want it to be. Find yourself. 25 questions to ask about yourself. Find your passion and then follow your passion. It's about radical change. It can be started with tiny steps. Author wasted his some time. Then he started an online business. He moved to Spain. He created a blog named Cloud. Through this book, you will get to know what makes you happy. What makes you happy waking up daily. How to know, is it your patient or not? How to know is it a patient or not? If it is, you feel overwhelmed and excited, and you feel more extrovert, fun, and happy around other people. Else, you will feel more introverted. Else, you will feel more introverted. Else, you will feel more introverted. Here or else, Damien was Damien was at hospital as Alia got shot by someone. Rian was at safe place. He was with Jonathan. Damien told Nike to tighten the securities. Nike told Damien that the big team with dogs were finding the shooter. Doctor told that Alia would survive. Damien and Alia spent happy romantic moments after Alia got awakened. Alia was asking about Rian. She also asked about the scooter. Damien told her to take rest. Story of a lady detective. This is a story based on investigation. Some business part is also involved in this story. Though this story hasn't very heavy dialogues, if someone is interested in investigation based story, he or she can read it. In this story, Ashni captured the moment in which Pinheiro was exchanging something suspicious. Ashni supposed to arrest Pinheiro today. Ashni followed Pinheiro. He disappeared once, then he again tailed him to the train. Mason, Ashni's partner, called Ashni. Ashni told him that she was tailing Pinheiro. There were 4 persons in the car. Ashni told Pinheiro that she would arrest Pinheiro by herself. Pinheiro told her that none of the police buddies were with her. It was easy to get rid of her. Ashni caught Pinheiro and broke his nose. She also fought with the other 4 persons. She was a martial art trained lady. Mason also came there and all of them got arrested. Ashni also collected some evidences. Ashni told Pinheiro that she had got those evidences from her wife Maria. So today I reviewed some of the books to you. If you like it, go and read it for sure. And if you like my videos, then subscribe to my channel. Do like, share and comment. Thank you so much.